lesson, and today we are going to discuss about the second lesson. You know, children, and I think that you are not having any doubts in first lesson. If you have any doubts, you just post it to me, okay, in the WhatsApp group. Don't hesitate to ask the question answers, children. And along with this interaction, and I want the queries also. If you have any doubts, you can solve it. Okay, children. After the first lesson, second lesson, today we are going to discuss about the natural realms of the earth. The natural realms of the earth. Natural realms means naturally how it was formed. Realms means different layers. So here, if you see this Earth's atmosphere, we are seeing different continents. We are seeing different types of oceans. You know, so many oceans are there, and the Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean. You know. So after this, today we are going to discuss more about that. Okay. And how many natural realms of the earth are there? There are 4. First one is a lithosphere. First one is a lithosphere. Second one is a hydrosphere. Third one is a atmosphere. And fourth one is a biosphere. Once more you say, lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, biosphere. Okay, these are 4 realms. And you remember, children, the earth which you are seeing, this earth whichever is very smooth and seeing beautifully. Yes, this is, if you go out of the earth and in the space, if you see, this earth is not like just like a plain and soft like that. It is having different shape and all land order forms. For example, if you see, these mountains will be there. Here mountains are there. This is a mountains. And here it is a plain areas are there. And if you go there, and this is a plateau regions are there. Plateaus. And if you come here, these are the valleys are there. Okay. And if you come like that, these are the basins. Great basins will be there. Okay, different types of landforms we can able to see on this land atmosphere, on this globe. So here in the lithosphere, the word litho means it came from the word Greek word. Litho means what? Rock, hard surface. And sphere means sparia. The word sparia, from that word the sphere has come. Sphere means as a round. As you know, the sphere you used to draw in mathematics or also circle that. Okay, lithosphere means hard surface, and which normally in this lithosphere we can see mountains are there. Here. Mountains are there, and some plain areas are there, and plateaus will be there, valleys are there, and some great basins are also there. So this lithosphere which we are seeing, it is not formed in 1 day or 2 days, children, because it was taken lot of time to form it as this lithosphere. Okay, children. So, and these realms, if you see, these are interrelated with each other. Without lithosphere, hydrosphere is not there. Without hydrosphere, atmosphere is not there. And without biosphere, these are all spheres are not there. Just like how in the science you used to learn food chain, no? Like that, these are all are interlinked each other. Now, let us come to the hydrosphere. The word hydrogen, that is nothing but the water. Okay, whatever water part is there, it is called as a hydrosphere. This word also came from the Greek word hydro. Hydro means water. Okay, whatever the water surfaces are there, as in the oceans, rivers, and underground water, above the ground water, lakes and springs. Wherever the water body comes, this will be treated as a hydrosphere. The water part on the earth surface is hydrosphere. Okay, hard rock surface is lithosphere. Okay, wherever the mountains are there, valleys are there, plains are there, these are all are lithosphere. Hydrosphere is water part, which wherever you see this water part. How much of water percentage is there on the earth surface, children? See this earth, if you see this is a blue color, which you are seeing, this blue color indicates water. How much of percentage can you guess? Because from 6th class onwards you are studying about our earth, which is your favorite. Yes, children? Yes, water is 70% of the earth is covered with water. 71% of remaining only these continents where we are seeing this here and there, on that only people are living. Okay, these are a hot surface. Now, after this lithosphere and hydrosphere, third feature we will see, it is atmosphere. The word atmos means vapor. What is that? In the Greek, this is also from the Greek word they have taken vapor. Vapor means what? The gases which are there around the earth. The earth which you are seeing, this earth, it is covered with the atmosphere layer. See, this is the earth. If it is covered, this is the layer. And this gases just like a protection. One blanket, if you cover the earth's surface, how it is? Like that atmosphere layer is also about that. It is just like a God gift for us. Why? Because it is protecting us from the sun rays which comes, harmful sun rays are there now. UV rays and which are the harmful rays for the human life. That it is doing filtration and sending it. So that's why we are very, very safe, children. So it is our duty to protect our atmosphere layer. And atmosphere also consists of so many gases. What are they? Oxygen, which we are breathing. Yes. Without oxygen, can you able to live? No. Oxygen is necessary. Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen. These are all gases. Mixture of these gases only it is called as this atmosphere. Atmosphere. Okay. And these are the three. Lithosphere we are seeing. Hydrosphere we are seeing. Hydrogen means water. Litho means continents. Atmosphere means the layer which was surrounded around the earth. And the next one will come to the biosphere. Biology. You are reading biology subject, no? Biology is, bio means life. What is the bio? It is a life. Life on the earth's surface. So these are interlinked. I told you, without land, life is not possible. Without water, life is not possible. Without atmosphere, these all the things are not possible. So, life in the sense that we can think that not only human life or animal life, bacteria, microorganisms, bacteria onwards, the life on the earth surface, all will come under the biosphere. Okay? All